Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are we all? I have got a food shop in today's video, so it is a healthy-ish, no, it's pretty healthy, January Aldi food shop. I think I spent about £95, which is quite a lot for Aldi and for just me and the kids, but I'm pretty sure it's going to last us quite a while. I've got quite a few meals. I thought I'd leave in the description below my meal plan and all the things that I decided to make with the food that I bought this week. I'm also filming a food prep video, so you will be able to see how I made everything, because I'm trying to get back into meal prepping, getting organised, having food ready to go in the week for us to eat. So that'll be another video that's coming up, but yeah, now I'll just show you everything I got from Aldi. Okay, so all of the fridge stuff is over here. Well, I think it is anyway. I've got the split pot yogurts. They're like the crunch corners. The boys just go crazy for them. Some Nord pack, which is the one I always get. I get the lighter one, which is obviously like Lurpak. Pink Ladies, you have to watch these sometimes, I always find in Aldi, because sometimes they're a little bit bruised, but obviously Pink Lady is a premium brand of apple. They're always a bit more pricey, but I do feel like they're my favourite and they're definitely the boys' favourite, so if I can get them to eat apples, then I don't mind paying a little bit more. Some strawberries, I bought some of these yesterday actually and they've nearly all gone, because a punnet like this just lasts me and the boys not very long at all. And yeah, they're actually really nice. They're like a good batch at the moment. I've got a couple of tubs of my beloved Greek yogurt, which is good with fruit and honey. I'm also going to maybe make some sort of chicken sauce of some kind that I did briefly see on the internet the other day, so I might use some Greek yogurt for that. I got some avocado because it's just been forever since I bought some of these. I got a bit fed up of them and then decided I wouldn't mind having a bit of avocado on toast with some poached eggs maybe. Cherries, I keep buying these again. I bought some yesterday and I've nearly eaten them all. I just love cherries, love them. I get frozen ones a lot, which are already de-stoned, but sometimes the fresh ones are just nicer. I also got some cherry tomatoes. I've got these as well to go on the side of a couple of meals. Some herby baby potatoes, just really easy. I think you just whack it in the microwave. I got Archie, because Archie loves his bacon and I haven't bought it for ages, so I got him some bacon. And then I also got me, which I'm excited to have, some turkey rashers. So I actually think I prefer this to bacon anyway. I'm not crazy about bacon, but I do like turkey, so yeah, I bought, it's a bit of a healthier alternative as well, isn't it? So I got myself some of that. I got a big pack of lean beef mince, so that's going to be split up into a couple of different meals. The usual skimmed milk, which is what I get for me, and then full fat milk for the boys. I've got 2 lemonades. I don't know where the other one is, but yeah, I got a couple of bottles of diet lemonade. Try not to drink as much Pepsi Max. Well, I'm not drinking as much, so if I need something fizzy, I thought I'd get a couple of bottles of lemonade, and then that just sort of, I don't go crazy with that, so that just sort of takes the edge off, I suppose. I got some peppers, just the sweet kind. Yeah, much prefer them. Do not like green peppers whatsoever. I got some smoked salmon. Oh, smoked salmon with some poached eggs, some avocado and a bit of toast. That is just what I'm fancying at the moment. I got some chicken thigh fillets as well. I also got some grapes, just got the red grapes. I always buy red grapes. They just seem to be the preferred ones in this house. And I also got some ham. So I'm going to do like a packed lunch video, but I'm going to make the boys some of their own like Lunchables, because Toby doesn't like the crackers that come in the Lunchables, but I've got some Gouda, which they love, and I'm going to do little squares of that, little squares of ham, and then some like Ritz crackers, and I think that'll be really good for a sandwich alternative in the lunchbox. I've also got some tender stem broccoli, which I love, and then this was on offer, so I thought I'd grab some. This is purple sprouting broccoli with 30% off. So I need to get all this prepped, and I very well might make some feta pasta as well. If not, it's really nice to just go in salads and things like that. So I got a block of that, and then also the usual chew bits for the boys. That just goes in their packed lunch. So that's everything for the fridge. And then over here for like the freezer and the food cupboard, oh, there's that other lemonade. I got some ketchup because we were all out of that. Also got some pancakes. This is another good one for lunch boxes, except they won't last that long, and Dill will eat them pretty sharpish, but he likes them, and they're quite inexpensive. These were on offer, so you can always stick them in the freezer as well when they've got some, when they're short dated. I got a couple of packs of wraps because I buy them every time I go shopping and we get through them for loads of different things. Some crumpets as well. It's a good little after school snack. A loaf of bread, which is coming back to life a bit because I accidentally squashed it in the back of the car. So it's starting to take its shape back again a little bit. Some of these cinnamon bagels for the kids. Also a thick bleach, which is just randomly there. What else? I got a blackcurrant, or is it summer fruits? Summer fruits double strength squash, because I've only got orange at the moment. This, which I love this, one of those holy grail products for getting things out of the carpet. I just find this so good, and they had some in Aldi, so I thought I would get some because I'm nearly all out. I got a couple of bags of pasta. So this is mainly for me, but I will mix it in. What I tend to do is I'll do white pasta, but I'll mix in some of the whole wheat as well with anything that the boys have, and then they can't really tell the difference. Not that I think it tastes that much difference anyway, but yeah, I thought I'd get that for just a little bit healthier. And I'm also going to make a mac and cheese because it's Dill's favourite, so I got some macaroni pasta as well. I got some of these for the boys, these marshmallow crispy chunks, which are like the squares, which I do buy for them as well. A pack of bananas, some Snack Right little animal biscuits, again good for packed lunches. We've got some eggs, just a 6-pack of them. These are the crackers that I'm going to use for the little DIY Lunchables, so I got 2 boxes of those. I got a pouch of rice because I want to just do some quick meal preps, and I find this is really nice, these packets rices. I know it's more expensive, but I do like them. I also bought some coconut rice yesterday, so I'm excited to try that because I've never had it. I got some sponges because I didn't have any. Also got some crackers. The boys like having cheese and crackers sometimes as just an alternative for like lunch times. Birthday card, because I needed to get a birthday card for someone. Also these Pano Chocolats, which I buy all the time. Really good for packed lunches. They're all individually wrapped. I either get them from Home Bargains, I can get them from, they sell them everywhere. Home Bargains do exactly the same sort of thing. Find them a great thing for on the go for the kids, and again, like I say, packed lunches. My life seems to revolve around what I can put in a packed lunch half the time, with me making 3 a day. I got this tomato sauce. It's just a basic lasagna sauce. And then I got myself this, which is a mild chili con carne. I'm just being lazy by not making them myself, really, because I know it's quite a basic recipe, but I'm just more likely, if I've already got them, to use them. So I don't know whether I can get the boys to eat chili. Possibly. Maybe if I don't put kidney beans in it, they might do, but they might not. We just never know with meal times. I got some bourbons, which are always just the cheapest thing, aren't they? These custard creams and bourbons, like Aldi's biscuit prices, so cheap. I got a pasta bake sauce, which is great for a quick evening meal. I got some of this Pink Stuff toilet cleaner, which I've never bought before, but I do really like the pink stuff, so yeah, I just got that, obviously, for cleaning. Some of these, which get the boys very often, these yogurt and fruit bars, and then some Cheerios, because we're all out of them. Also got some Pringles. Oh, I didn't think they were actually the brand of Pringles. I thought they were the Aldi version, but now I've got some sour cream and onion Pringles, again for the boys, just for over the weekend. This, which I haven't tried this scent before, but I love all the Fabulosa like carpet sprays. This is in the scent Precious Gold. So yeah, I didn't have any of that left, any carpet spray, which I do like using after I've hoovered. I got some hoops, which is exactly the same as hula hoops, really. And you get 8 packs in there because the kids get through so many crisps, like they're just such little crisp monsters. 3 bags go each day if I put them in their packed lunches. I've got some southern fried popping chicken, which Toby's loving at the moment. I also got a few vegetarian things. I thought because the boys really like meatballs, I would try them with the no meat meatballs. They're only like 99p as well, and hopefully they're a little bit healthier. I also got some of these no chicken dino bites, which I'm hoping they'll like because they do like vegetarian chicken. So yeah, hopefully they'll just enjoy them and they'll be a little bit better for them. But I did get some normal chicken dippers as well. They have these on wraps with some salad sometimes. I got some hash browns, or hash brownies as Archie calls them, bless him. I don't want to correct him because I just think it's so cute. He loves hash brownies. So I got a bag of those. And then the usual pizzas, always get pizzas. I've got pepperoni for Tobes, and then 2 cheese ones, the Carlos thin crust ones, really inexpensive but really, really nice. I also got some more blueberries, just frozen ones, that again I put with my yogurt a lot of the time. Some paracetamol because I felt like I needed to get some more because, you know, got to stock up on those things a little bit. It's cold season as well now, isn't it? Now it's all cold, and yeah, I'm feeling a little bit under the weather today, so I have to have a couple of paracetamol. I got some sweets for the boys for the weekends. If we have a movie night or anything, then I've got those on standby. And then I got some donuts again for the boys. It's Friday today as I film this, so they can have one of them as a treat when they get in from school. And then I also got a massive toilet roll, which has got 32 in there. I think it was about $6.99 for all of those. That is everything for this shop. So there we go, loads of food to keep us going. Like I say, I'm going to leave the meal plan down below, the things that I plan to make, and don't forget to subscribe to make sure that you don't miss the meal prep video that's coming up. I also plan to do a packed lunch video, so if you need any inspiration for kids' packed lunches, then again, make sure that you're subscribed so that you don't miss out. I'd love it if you gave this video a big thumbs up, and I would love, love, love to see you again for my next one. Bye everyone!